Welcome back to Old Charles. Today, we are talking about the Philippines 25 Sentimos 1986 coin and why this small coin still matters to collectors and history lovers around the world. This coin comes from an important period in Philippine history because the year 1986 is remembered as the year of the People Power Revolution, which changed the political future of the country. That alone makes the 25 Sentimos coin from 1986 interesting, even though it was a common circulation coin used by millions of people every day. The coin reflects daily life during a time of big national change. The 25 Sentimos coin of 1986 was issued by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and it was part of the Ong Bagong Lipunan series, which was widely used during the late 20th century. The coin is made of copper nickel, which gives it a silver-gray color and a solid feel in hand. On the front side, you usually see the denomination 25 Sentimos along with the year 1986 and the name of the country Pilipinas. The backside features a traditional design that represents national pride and identity. These designs were meant to be simple, strong, and easy to recognize for everyday use. When we talk about the value of the Philippines 25 Sentimos 1986 coin, it is important to understand that most examples are not rare. Many millions were minted and circulated heavily because it was a low-value coin used for small purchases like candy, transport fares, and local market items. Because of this, most coins you find today are worn, scratched, or discolored, and these common circulated coins usually have very low value for collectors, often close to face value or just slightly above it, depending on demand in the local market. However, condition changes everything when it comes to coin value. A heavily circulated 25 Sentimos 1986 coin with smooth details, fading letters, and surface damage is usually worth very little and is mostly interesting as a historical keepsake, but a coin that survived in better condition can be more desirable if the coin has clear details, strong lettering, and minimal, where it may attract beginner collectors who are building a full set of Philippine coins from this era. The highest value examples of the Philippines 25 Sentimos 1986 coin are those in uncirculated condition. These coins show no signs of wear, sharp edges, clean surfaces, and original mint luster. Finding such a coin is not easy because most were used daily, but some were saved by collectors or kept in storage for decades. An uncirculated example can be worth several times more than a worn one, especially if it is professionally graded and authenticated by a recognized grading service. Errors can also increase interest in this coin. Although major errors are uncommon, collectors sometimes look for off-center strikes, weak strikes, or unusual marks caused during the minting process. If a genuine mint error is found, it can raise the value significantly compared to a normal coin, but these must be carefully examined to make sure the damage is not from circulation or environmental factors. The history of the Philippines 25 Sentimos 1986 coin is closely connected to an important moment in the nation's story. During the mid-1980s, the Philippines was going through major political and social change. The year 1986 is especially famous because of the People Power Revolution, which led to the end of a long period of authoritarian rule and the return of democratic government. This makes any coin dated 1986 a quiet witness to a turning point in Philippine history. During this time, everyday life continued while history was being made. People still went to markets, rode public transport, and bought small goods using coins like the 25 Sentimos. This coin was part of the regular currency used by ordinary citizens, and it played a small but constant role in daily transactions. It represents how money connects the lives of common people to larger national events. The 25 Sentimos denomination had already been used for many years before 1986, and it remained important as a low-value coin that helped make change in markets and shops. The design used during this period followed the Ong Bagong Lipunan series, which aimed to show national identity, strength, and unity through simple and clear symbols. The word Pilipinas on the coin reflects the use of the national language and the pride in Filipino identity. The minting of the 1986 25 Sentimos coin was handled by the official minting authorities of the Philippines, and large numbers were produced to meet the needs of circulation. Because inflation was slowly reducing the buying power of small denominations, coins like the 25 Sentimos were used frequently and worn down quickly. This heavy use is one reason why well-preserved examples are harder to find today. The condition of the Philippines 25 Sentimos 1986 Coin plays the biggest role in determining its value and collector interest. Most of these coins were used heavily in daily life, so their condition today often shows clear signs of circulation. A poor condition coin usually has heavy where the design looks flat, the letters are weak, and the surface may have many scratches, dents, or dark discoloration. These coins are very common and are mainly kept as historical reminders rather than valuable collectibles. A coin in average circulated condition will still show the main details, but with noticeable where the high points of the design are smooth and the edges may be rounded. The date and denomination are readable, but not sharp. Coins in this condition are the most commonly found and usually have very low market value, close to face value. Better condition examples are called lightly circulated or extremely fine. These coins show only minor where the details are still strong and the surfaces are cleaner with fewer marks. The edges remain fairly sharp, and the overall look is more attractive to collectors. These coins can have slightly higher value, especially for people trying to complete a set of Philippine coins by year and denomination. The best condition is uncirculated. These coins show no signs of wear at all. They were never used in daily transactions and often still have their original mint luster. The design details are sharp, the surfaces are smooth, and the edges are crisp. Uncirculated 25 Sentimos 1986 coins are much harder to find and are the most desirable to collectors. If such a coin is professionally graded and stored properly, its value can be several times higher than a circulated example, even though the coin itself is common.